Hi, Tony here. I'm at Johnson Nursery, and behind me I have a mature specimen of shrub. You can see how it is attracting the pollinators. They are loving that. It can grow in partial shade, even though it prefers a lot more sun. Very, very drought tolerant and can get upwards of 10 feet high. This one is getting quite a bit of shade because it's being shaded out by that super large crepe myrtle that I was talking to you about earlier, but it is still blooming even though it's only in partial sun and has quite a bit of shade now. It is about 8 feet high, but has that wonderful textured leaf and the great flowers which are attracting all the pollinators. You can see that same Vitex shrub, the side that's getting a lot more sun, is getting a lot more flowers too. You can see that beautiful blue flowers on there. They call it the southern lilac for a reason. Now, it doesn't have the scent of a lilac, but it has that beautiful color. This is what the Vitex can do when you give it enough sun. This gets full sun all day. We showed you the other one that was just getting a little bit of sun that had planted a long time ago that had been overshadowed by other trees. But this is just beautiful and full all the way down to the ground. Just amazing. And you can hear the pollinators just flocking to this as well. It's a great drought-tolerant plant to put in your landscape today. If you found this helpful, please click like, and we'll see you again next time.